Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to find and install a game called Monument Valley 2. So first thing first, open App Store, click on the blue icon right here on your home screen. Then make sure that you log in on your Apple ID account and click on the search button right here. And in the search bar, typing Monument Valley 2 and go search right here. Then scroll down a little bit until you find the game. So click on that. Now it's cost $3.99. So just click on the blue button. Then to confirm purchase and installation, use Face ID or Touch ID or password from your Apple ID account. Now it's all done. The game is 325.4 megabytes. Also, all links will be in the description of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.